Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need an Apple ID and two-factor authentication active. This secures email and prevents account conflicts. Once signed into Icloud, make sure your device is online and updated. Then open Settings and tap your name to reach iCloud options. Now toggle Mail on, and when prompted, choose Create an iCloud email address. Pick a handle that's professional and unique. Make sure to follow the on-screen character rules and avoid personal data. This starts the mailbox creation immediately and links it to your Apple ID. After tapping Create an iCloud email address, type the handle you want and test availability. The system checks instantly, so try alternatives if taken. Once you select an address, create a strong password and set recovery email or phone. This prevents lockout. Confirm your selection, accept Apple's terms, and complete any verification prompts. Make sure notifications show success. If the app asks to merge data, choose according to whether you want old contacts and calendars combined. Once done, the mailbox is provisioned and ready to use. Finish by opening Mail and sending a test email to another account to confirm both sending and receiving. This verifies DNS provisioning. If messages don't appear, first force Close Mail and pull to refresh, then toggle iCloud Mail off in Settings and back on. Restart the device if needed. Make sure iOS is current and that iCloud account isn't restricted by screen time or MDM. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out of Apple ID, restart, and sign back in. This often clears sync errors and forces mailbox re-registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.